Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will show you review of 100 Tealight candles from Emirates. So I purchased this for 15 dirhams and it is 100 Tealight candles. So 100 pieces unscented Tealight candles. So 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 5 5 are 25. So there has to be 4 boxes. ये वो वैसी है सिम जो कल थी. So as you can see, it is coming in this aluminum container. On the back side we have 4 dots for non-slippery part, and it can be removed like this. So it is having this probe, candle probe like this, and you can just put it, and let's see how it will burn. And I think it will take around 3 to 4 hours to burn completely for this candle. And the total height is around 5 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter इतनी बात छोटी सी. 1 centimeter. Total height is around 1 to 2 centimeter. Only 1 centimeter, and the diameter is around
1 to 2, I think.
1 to 2 centimeter is height.
1 to 1.5 and 1.
Diameter is around 5 centimeter.
Right.
So diameter is around 5 centimeter, and this is because, and on the box you can see कैसे निकलेगा यार, ये निकलने पड़ेंगे. So we are getting 1 2 3 and 4 parts, like 4 boxes, and total is 100.